Hello and welcome, dear readers. We are thrilled to have you join us today. Today, let's dive into the warm and inviting world of cinnamon oil, a treasure trove of benefits and delightful experiences. This wonderful oil comes from the cinnamon tree, a true gift from nature. The bark of this tree is carefully harvested and distilled to produce the rich aromatic oil we all love. Cinnamon oil is known for its rich aroma and incredible benefits. Its scent is both comforting and invigorating, making it a popular choice for aromatherapy. But cinnamon oil is more than just a pleasant scent. It has a multitude of uses that can enhance our daily lives in various ways. It can be used in many ways to improve our health and well-being. From boosting our immune system to providing relief from aches and pains, cinnamon oil is a versatile addition to any wellness routine. From skincare to hair care, cinnamon oil can work wonders. It can help to clear up skin issues, promote hair growth, and even add a natural shine to your locks. And let's not forget its ability to ease stress. Adding a few drops of cinnamon oil to your bath or diffuser can create a calming atmosphere that helps you unwind after a long day. Cinnamon oil is a versatile and powerful essential oil. Its applications are nearly endless, from enhancing your beauty routine to improving your overall health. If you are looking for natural ways to enhance your health and beauty routine, cinnamon oil is worth exploring. Its natural properties make it a safe and effective choice for a variety of uses. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this amazing oil and discover how it can benefit you. From its historical uses to modern-day applications, there's so much to learn about cinnamon oil. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this aromatic journey together.
Cinnamon oil is an essential oil. We get essential oils from plants. Cinnamon oil comes from the bark or leaves of the cinnamon tree. It has a warm, spicy smell that is both inviting and comforting. There are two main types of cinnamon oil: cinnamon bark oil and cinnamon leaf oil. Cinnamon bark oil is very strong. It is often used on the skin and for its aroma. Cinnamon leaf oil is gentler. Both types of cinnamon oil offer wonderful benefits. They are packed with natural compounds that can work wonders for our health and well-being.
Cinnamon oil can do amazing things for your skin. It can help with acne, redness, and those little lines that appear as we age. Cinnamon oil has special properties that fight bacteria. These properties are called antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon oil is also an antioxidant. Antioxidants protect our skin from damage. This can help to keep our skin looking youthful and radiant. Remember, always dilute cinnamon oil with a carrier oil like jojoba oil or coconut oil before putting it on your skin. This will prevent any irritation. Cinnamon oil isn't just good for our skin, it's great for our hair too. It can help your hair grow and make it stronger. This is because it stimulates the scalp, encouraging hair follicles to thrive. Cinnamon oil can also help with dandruff and an itchy scalp. This is due to its antifungal properties. These properties combat the fungus that can cause these issues. To use cinnamon oil for your hair, add a few drops to your shampoo or conditioner. You can also mix it with a carrier oil and massage it into your scalp.
Section 5. Holistic Wellness with Cinnamon Oil. Embracing nature's touch. Cinnamon oil is known for its warming and relaxing properties. This makes it great for sore muscles and painful joints. When used in aromatherapy, cinnamon oil can uplift your mood and reduce stress. Its warm, spicy aroma creates a sense of comfort and well-being.
As they help to disperse the essential oil evenly and reduce the risk of skin irritation. can help reduce redness and swelling, making it a great option for soothing sore muscles or irritated. Perform a patch test. Apply a small amount of the diluted oil to a patch of skin and wait 24 hours to ensure there is no adverse reaction. Unlocking its full potential. Section 7. Safety first. Precautions and potential side effects of cinnamon oil. While cinnamon oil is generally safe, it's essential to use it cautiously. Avoid using it on sensitive skin or near your eyes if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any health conditions. Talk to your doctor before using cinnamon oil. Always do a patch test before using a new oil. Apply a small amount of diluted oil to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs.
Section 8. Addressing your queries FAQs about cinnamon oil. Today, we will delve into some of the most common questions people have about cinnamon oil, its uses, and safety precautions. Whether you're a seasoned user or a curious beginner, this guide will provide you with valuable insights. Can I use cinnamon oil every day? This is a question we get quite often. Because it's so potent, daily use isn't recommended, especially on your skin. Cinnamon oil is highly concentrated and can cause skin irritation if used too frequently. Use it 2 to 3 times a week or as needed. This frequency allows you to enjoy the benefits without risking adverse effects. Always remember to do a patch test before applying it more broadly. Can I take cinnamon oil internally? This is another important question. No, you should not take cinnamon oil internally. Ingesting essential oils can be dangerous and should only be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional. It is for topical use and aromatherapy only. You can add a few drops to a diffuser to enjoy its aromatic benefits or dilute it with a carrier oil for skin application. Is cinnamon oil safe for children? This is a crucial consideration for parents. Be careful when using cinnamon oil around children, especially those under 6 years old. Their skin is very sensitive and can react adversely to strong essential oils. Their skin is very sensitive. Always dilute the oil and perform a patch test before using it on children. What should I do if I experience any side effects? This is a common concern for many users. If you experience any irritation, redness, or allergic reaction, stop using the oil immediately and consult a healthcare professional. It's always better to be cautious and seek expert advice to avoid any serious complications. Educating yourself about the proper use and potential risks of essential oils can help you make informed decisions. Always refer to reliable sources and consult professionals when in doubt. When used correctly, cinnamon oil can be a wonderful addition to your wellness routine. Enjoy its benefits responsibly and always prioritize safety. Section 9. Embrace the magic of cinnamon oil, a natural path to health and beauty. Cinnamon oil is a truly remarkable gift from nature. Its warm, inviting aroma and therapeutic properties make it a wonderful addition to any natural health and beauty routine. Whether you're seeking radiant skin, luscious locks, or simply a moment of relaxation, cinnamon oil offers a natural and effective approach. Remember to use it safely and enjoy the numerous benefits this incredible oil has to offer. Embrace the power of nature and unlock a world of wellness with the magic of cinnamon oil.